kill a kick him in throat and search him pocket. Just a bills in him pocket with a bag of Mali.
See them up in that town. How are the blood clot discharging?
It's hometown here now. When them see sign welcome to Moby, enough of them start shaking, man. Want to start shaking that?
Spread the word. Top Shatters are back.
Spread the word. Top Shatters is back.
Be a badness.
Good.
Hey boy, you don't care about nobody.
Hey boy.
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only per pressure, I'm a corner. One time it hard to carry on. You don't need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, but the journey so far.
Wagwan Success family, this is O. Squash 6 Boss has released a diss track targeting Skeng called GPS Tracker. Although it's not an official release song, it's a complete and fully produced song, and I'm here to break it all down. I will not lie to you, this is a well-crafted diss song directed at Skeng 7. It matches the brutal and deadly 6 versus Skeng conflict ongoing in Trinidad, and we all know the feud started in Trinidad dancehall scene and has infiltrated Jamaican dancehall space, with Squash 6 Boss representing the 6 faction and Skeng aligning with Prezzi 7. And also, just so people know, the 6 and the 7 factions have been in a violent conflict in Trinidad long before Skeng even entered the Trinidad scene. The beef between Squash and Skeng intensified when Skeng used Squash slang "rrr" and turned it into "rrr skrr," and then things just get even further when Skeng start linking with Prezzi, and we know how brutal and deadly thing is in Trinidad. R.I.P. to Puppy 6, another 6 member that lost his life in Florida. You see me, rest in peace. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Now let's be honest, Squash flow and melodies in dancehall and in this song is compelling. It's believable, especially when we know how G City man them got to work, right? And I feel like Chronicler also get this in this track, so we're gonna get into it.
Overshot him again, suck your mother. You did give me beer chattings, I'm telling something, make me catch your pussy, I'm all in out. Somebody come take him up, watch it, let me roll him over and shot him again. Me kill a kick him in throat and search him pocket. Just a bills in him pocket with a bag of Mali.
This has to be one of my favorite parts of the song because he's not singing, he's basically just talking to Skeng at this point, the same way how we would have talked to some boy, you know, when they're at school or whatever the case, and say, hey boy, don't want me catch you, you know, boy. You see me catch you, beer things, you know. You see me, and so Squash I talk to Skeng and make him know, say, yo, roll him over and shot him again. You see me, go chuck through your mother. You see me, stop the chatting. And if you know, say, when I deal with chatting, me tell you, say, don't want me catch you. And now see they will corner you. Buddha, go pick up your friend Skeng because right now him dep on the ground and him seem to can't move. So Squash send him killer them for Skeng for search him pocket. But when them search, Skeng pocket are just $100 bill and beer Mali in him pocket.
No badness, Lily man know where you link them boy. They no bother just from them a drink. 2 killer walk up, headshot ground you sink. Me no grin, me no laugh, me no fear not a thing. Me no giant the chatting, GPS a tracking. Right at the stoplight and a kins a clapping.
Squash is making Skeng know your badness is small. It's Lily. We already know who you link with. You link with Prezzi 7, Pumpy Boss, Meds Boss, and all of them. Stop fooling yourself. You do not know real badness. That's just rum talk. Send 2 killers for you right now. No talking. GPS track you. GPS tracker.
Pussy can shot 6 bars, so no hear wrong. Me butcher boy and dress up in a apron. Pussy where you switch link and one shake hand. Me no wait long fire touch kill it pagan. No fuck with the 6 nation.
No boy can't shot the 6 boss. You hear wrong. Squash is basically referring to when J-Man from the 6 camp killed 2 youth in Florida allegedly, and now J-Man is in prison. And they said Squash got shot during that time, so Squash is now putting that into a song to let them know they will never catch him lacking. Squash is letting Skeng know he will become a butcher and put on an apron and mince him up brawling. So Squash also, I believe Squash this chronicler right here, so by saying them want to switch link and shake hand. So you want to switch up from the 6 but you still want to shake hand as a gesture of respect. No, you're in or you're out, not 1 foot in or 1 foot out. You see me, we not play them game there and we're not waiting long. Fire touch, no links with pagan, you see me? Yeah man.
Pussy on not a brave. Blood a leak like pan-a-pain. 6 pants chaka face. Step in on your place. Not a yes boy, your feet run like bull pan in track a race. Nah him with the Uzi guys get a grain.
Squash is making Skeng 7 know he's not brave. He does not have the heart to stomach the badness when people close to him start to die. He's not valiant. He does not have that level of courage to step to the 6 boss because people blood will leak and paint on the ground like Sherwin Williams or Berger paint. You see me? And we know your identity, but the 6 pants will track your face and open it up. And when we step in your hometown, you have to run like Usain Bolt breaking records at Beijing. And I do not have to aim with the Uzi because the bullet spread and automatically find your face brawling.
Boy, run up in my heart, feel say you're chatting. All man clap, Celtic fire rapid. No fear that boy, you see I push them there. Celtic that I push them.
Squash 6 Boss is letting Skeng 7 know that he can continue to act bad and talk bad because you seem to believe what we're doing is just talk. Between me and the viewers, we know it's not all talk with G-City Badness and the 6 gang in Trinidad. It's not all talk, you know what I mean? People will get dropped and people have been getting dropped. You see me? So anyways, I could just pray it musically. You see me? So Squash and make Skeng know say, yo, don't take us light. The Celtic automatic rapid burst. Squash love everything chip. Just buy my chips or just buy my lays or something because him love a chip Glock. You see me? So Squash is making Skeng know he's fully brave. And you know Jamaican, when Jamaican say, oh, move for your song, where you afraid like puss. So Squash say, yo, Skeng afraid like puss. But right now Skeng is not even a puss. Skeng is just a kitten. You see me? Him badness harmless.
Yo friend, when he escape fire brother be a boy dead. Dwell in the darkness, raised in a hell. Programmer run, couldn't know, couldn't tell. Bobby bossy blackout, pussy ears, bella ring, gyal scream and a ball, man a tear down his zinc.
Squash say, yo Fred, and we know Squash is calling now to his right hand man Fredman, and we hear all about the stories from Sir P about Fredman. So Squash is reminding Skeng who is up against. Squash seem to full of guns because I'll know Squash no repeat one gun we him use against Skeng. Brand new gun pan the block. When the SK fire, just know a boy drop. You see me? And you will hear it canic. Dwelling fully in darkness and raising hell. Jano, it can't get any darker than that. Darkness, no sympathy or compassion. Hell, fully evil, no peace treaty. And as so we operate, you see me, you will never know when we're coming for you, and you won't be able to tell. We're unpredictable like the weather, because when you think you can predict us, and you see a clear sky, not knowing it's a thunderstorm about to be catastrophic. And Squasher send him little brother Bobby 6 to bust the chip Glock, and be a females a scream and a run. You see me, them get afraid. Alright, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and let me know if you think Skeng will reply to this song, even though I think Skeng will not back down from Squash. Know that Squash actually put out a real song where I push the badness to the right and proper way, you see me? It's not just a song where I talk about anything else, it's just pure badness. So this is like a direct diss song rather than dropping a song where I have to do with other things and just mixing certain things tonight. No, this song is a fully blown diss song, and I think Skeng will definitely respond, and then dancehall go nice up again. You see me?